A new technology emerges from the limitless expanse of memory. Automobiles, robots, drones, healthcare, infrastructure. AI has arrived as a driving force in society. It is memory that unlocks this potential. Memory and storage that empower AI must adapt to new demands. KIOXIA SSDs are built to support the dynamic, AI-driven world. KIOXIA invented the world's first NAND flash memory in 1987. And in 2001, the first KIOXIA SSD was born. The transition from HDDs to SSDs has benefited devices like laptop computers, with higher performance and reduced weight, enhancing their portability. As use of the internet and cloud computing grew significantly in the late 2000s, KIOXIA began developing Enterprise SSD in 2009. And in 2011, the first KIOXIA Enterprise SSD was launched for servers. SSD technology featuring high speeds, low latency, and optimized thermal efficiency became essential for handling complex workloads in distributed processing and edge computing environments. KIOXIA met this challenge by introducing advanced SSD technology, turning innovation into reality. We are KIOXIA, committed to a future where memory transforms society. Performance that enables real-time processing, ensuring the protection and security of critical business data. High capacities for storing large volumes of data. Reliability, robustness, and stability across a wide array of operational environments and use cases. Cutting-edge improvements in size and energy consumption. KIOXIA SSDs continue to evolve. A breakthrough SSD that enables high-speed data transmission and unlocks the performance of GPUs. Taking AI's potential to the next level. If GPUs have the power to think, then SSDs have the power of memory. As stored memories grow and expand, AI becomes even smarter. We are developing KIOXIA-JP open-source software technology to improve the accuracy of generative AI responses and optimize SSD utilization. Envisioning a world where AI memory knows no bounds. Our future evolves with KIOXIA SSDs.
KIOXIA